Hi, I'm John Gleason, and this is the UDOT Construction Update. Starting tonight, drivers will notice a new traffic pattern starting on I-80 between 1300 East and 2300 East in Salt Lake City. We're starting major construction on our I-80, I-215 project in East Salt Lake County. Our crews will move traffic to the outside of the freeway so that they can begin work in the median. Now, this shift lets us complete our work while still keeping all existing lanes open during the weekdays. Now, we're reminding drivers to stay alert because conditions will be changing frequently between now and the end of 2022, when this project is scheduled to wrap up. Remember to pay attention, put away the distractions, and follow posted signs and warnings whenever you're driving in a work zone. You'll want to plan ahead for nighttime and weekend lane restrictions that could add extra time to your trip. This I-80, I-215 reconstruction is one of our biggest and most significant projects. We're removing the existing pavement and replacing it with brand new concrete on I-80 between 1300 East and 2300 East, and on I-215 between 33rd South and 45th South. We're also adding a new eastbound lane on I-80 in that area, replacing 3 bridges at 1300, 1700, and 20th East, and widening the bridge at 2300 East. Now, for more information on these and all other UDOT construction projects, please visit our website at udottraffic.utah.gov, or you can download our free UDOT traffic app.